Hello class 9C. As we are doing the revision for the chapter Language of Chemistry, today we'll study about the chemical equations and how to balance the chemical equations. So chemical equations, as we know, is the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction using symbols and formulae of the substances involved in the reaction. Now over here, the chemical equations is based on this law of conservation of mass statement, which states that matter is neither created nor destroyed in the course of a chemical reaction. So every equation needs to be balanced. Balanced chemical equation means the total number of atoms of each element in the reactants on the left hand side of the equation is the same as the number of atoms in the product formed on the right hand side of the equation. That means the number of atoms in the reactant should be equal to the number of atoms at the product in order to be a balanced chemical equation. Say for example, let us try with the equation. Say for example, we have got iron plus water giving you iron oxide plus hydrogen. Now if you see in the left hand side, we have got iron Fe1, hydrogen 2, oxygen 1. Okay, on the right hand side we have got iron 2, hydrogen 2 and oxygen 3. Now if you see, then on the left hand side and the right hand side the atoms are not balanced, because here iron is 1, here it is 2, hydrogen 2, hydrogen 2, okay, oxygen 1, oxygen 3. So we can see the atoms are not balanced. So in order to do that, we have to do by trial and error method. We can say a trial method. So first we'll start with a small number. Say for example, since on the right hand side we have got 2 iron, we'll put 2 number in front of this Fe. So just remember that when you balance the equation, we always put the number in front of the reactants, that we call as a coefficient. Okay, so when you put 2 over here, okay, so the iron will balance. Now next, oxygen, here it is 3, but here it is only 1. So if you write 3 over here, then oxygen will balance, but the hydrogen will becomes 2 H2 into 3, that will be 6. So and on this side we have got only 2, so we need to put 3. So the balanced chemical equation will be this one, 2Fe plus 3H2 giving you Fe2O3 plus 3H2. This is the balanced chemical equation. This is how we can balance the equation by trial method. Now assignment 6 for you to balance the equation. First is lead sulfide plus oxygen giving you lead oxide plus sulfur dioxide. Second one, sulfur plus nitric acid giving you sulfuric acid, nitrogen dioxide and water. Third one is potassium chloride, KClO3 giving you KCl plus oxygen. Then 4 is nitrogen hydrogen giving you ammonia. And 5 is sodium hydroxide and sulfuric acid reacting to give you sodium sulfate and water. So complete this assignment and send it in my mail.